reflexes getting out of the way of that
see
one.
some entertainment. No-handed flip, flip, and another flip. Yeah, big flip.
One more chance to go to Rampage for free $99.
Have any women do this today, so they just gave me the green light. The winner of the under 16 and the over 16 categories are both going to get 2 tickets to Rampage. All right, we'll see these last couple of runs, and then we will announce the winners.
Yeah, 205 in the jean shorts, and Camo's been throwing it down. Let them have it, Windrock.
See that cowbell? This is for the prize right here. All right, make some noise. This is it for the money.
Cow train.
There we go.
Oh, perfect timing.
I think this might, there's one more behind, 2 more behind. All right.
This is it, Windrock.
Yeah, that's one to count.
Oh, data acquisition rider. At the jean shorts kid. Wow.
And
we got another coming.
2 more.
Get loud, Windrock.
All right. Yeah,
He's going to finish it off with an airwalk.
Here we go.
Oh, no old footer.
First, we'll get 2 tickets to Red Bull Rampage in October. Number 194, Cruz Gainey. Come on up, brother. All right, now for the winner of the over 16. Everybody give it up for Cohen Bundy. Might be runner-up for the Lit Kid Award also. Come on up here. All right, there you go. There's your winner of the best whip, Cohen Bundy and Cruz Gainey. Good job, boys.